Don't forget to like us, comment. Hi folks, it's me again. Welcome to the shop. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do something really simple. We're going to take 4 legs and we're going to cut a square top, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a stand for a vase or a flower pot. So let's get started. Don't forget to comment below, share, and like us. Now let's get started with the assembly. Now I cut 4 cross braces just to make it a little bit sturdier so you can even sit on it. Now I want it to look too plain. That looks too plain, so we're going to put a round top on it. Now this is for your plants or a vase if you have one. Now if you want to get a little bit more, a little bit fancier, you want a stool. This is cut in a little bit of an angle, and this is right about bar height for a stool for bar height, about 30 inches tall. As you can see, it's sturdy, well made, and there you have it for flowers and for yourself.